In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to make video-free video in minutes. Start by opening your Notebooklm notebook in your browser. You should be on the main notebook page where your topic and source material are already loaded. This is important because Notebooklm builds the video content from the sources inside the notebook, so make sure you are in the correct notebook before you continue. Next, click on Highlight. This opens the area where you can choose what kind of output you want Notebooklm to create from your notes. Think of this as picking the format for your final video script and visuals. From the options, select Explainer, which is described as a structured, comprehensive overview that connects the dots within your sources. The Explainer option is useful when you want a deeper and more complete narration. It usually creates a longer, more detailed result, which can help your video feel more informative and polished. After that, set your language. Click on English, then click on English again in the language selection area. This ensures the output is generated in English and matches the voiceover language you want for your video. When you have confirmed English, click the check mark to apply the selection. This step helps prevent mismatched narration and keeps the generated content consistent. Now click on Choose Visual Style. This is where you decide the look and feel of the video. The visual style controls how the generated scenes and visuals appear, so pick the style that best fits your topic and the platform where you plan to post. A clean, readable style is usually a safe choice, especially for educational content. Once your style is selected, click on Highlight again to return to the Creation panel. This keeps you in the right place to generate the video based on your choices. Next, click Generate. Notebooklm will begin creating the video content using your sources, the explainer format, the English language setting, and your chosen visual style. Give it a moment to process, especially if your source material is detailed. Finally, click Sync. This aligns the generated elements so the visuals and the narration are coordinated. Syncing is a key finishing step because it helps the video flow smoothly and feel properly timed. That covers everything you need to know.